Getting hired for a cleaning job starts with a clean and polished application. It's not just a formality, it's your chance to shine and stand out from the crowd. We share expert tips to create a compelling cover letter to improve your chances of getting hired, even if you have no prior experience. A well-crafted cover letter can set you apart from other applicants. It highlights your unique skills and experiences, making you the ideal choice for the job. Personalize it for every job you apply to, and ensure it reflects your genuine interest for the role. Start strong by grabbing the hiring manager's attention. Address them by name and make your introduction compelling and memorable. Make sure your application letter aligns with the job description. Include key elements like your relevant skills and a brief overview of your experience. Whether you're experienced or just starting out, focus on the skills that matter. Mention abilities like attention to detail, time management, and maintaining high cleanliness standards. This sets the stage for the rest of your cover letter. Use specific examples to demonstrate your expertise in cleaning and maintaining spaces. Don't worry if you're new to the role. Emphasize transferable skills such as strong organization, clear communication, a solid work ethic, and reliability. Qualities every employer values, no matter the role. Make your achievements count by being specific. For example, mention how you help reduce cleaning complaints by 30% or consistently maintained high hygiene scores during inspections. Small details can make a big difference. Present your achievements convincingly. Use action and verbs and highlight your ability to meet and exceed expectations in previous roles. To end your cover letter, reaffirm your interest in the position and express your eagerness to contribute. A strong call to action can leave a lasting impression on the hiring manager. Let them know you are ready to share more about how you can contribute to their organization. Wrap up your cover letter with confidence. Thank the hiring manager for their time and consideration. This shows professionalism and respect, enhancing your chances of getting an interview. Proofread your cover letter to eliminate errors. Remember, a clean cover letter isn't just about what you write, but how you present it. Use a clear format, readable fonts, and logical sections. Keep your paragraphs short and include bullet points for quick reading. This makes it easier for employers to see your value at a glance. Follow these steps to nail your cleaner job application and stand out from the crowd. For ready-to-use templates and expert guidance, check out our website or explore additional resources to enhance your job application. By crafting a compelling cover letter, you'll increase your chances of getting hired.